Hello and welcome to this elevator oversight tutorial. In this tutorial, we will introduce and provide a brief overview of how simple it is for elevator technicians to use the Elevator Oversight Maintenance Monitoring app. So let's get started. The first thing each elevator mechanic will need to do is locate the green CCPI mobile app icon with the magnifying glass, which is generally located on the desktop of the mobile device. Once located, click on the icon to open the app. Once open, the elevator mechanic will use their credentials to log in. I'll use mine to log in. As soon as they log in, the elevator mechanic will be met with a welcome screen that must be acknowledged. This acknowledgement is important as it reminds the mechanic that the service is not intended to replace their contractual obligation of their maintenance contract. Our service was created to monitor the work the elevator company is already contracted to do. Now that the welcome screen is acknowledged, the app automatically will display the inspection screen. This is indicated by the inspection icon highlighted on the green toolbar up top. Below displays a list of the elevators available for inspection in a particular building. In this example, we are only listing 2 elevators in this building. We have titled these the main elevator and the service elevator. Before we explore the inspection process, let's take a quick peek at the toolbar up top. To the right of the inspection tab is the log tab. Here the elevator technician can view all previous inspections performed as well as review their answers to previous inspections. What they can't do is change any of their previous inspection answers. Next to the log tab is the store map tab. Here the elevator technician can download a location map of the NFC buttons. This information will also be posted at the same location where the elevator technician is required to check in before working on the elevators. Lastly, next to the store map is the settings tab. This is where they can check their Wi-Fi settings and any pending uploads. So let's go back to the inspections tab to show you how easy it is for an elevator technician to do an inspection. Once in the inspection tab, the elevator technician will need to determine which elevator he or she will be working on. We will inspect the main elevator for this tutorial. After selecting the specified elevator, a list of inspection areas will auto-populate. There are generally 7 location buttons or inspection areas plus 1 callback button for each elevator. The technician can select any of these areas they want to inspect at any time. For illustration purposes, we will choose to inspect the car door equipment. You will notice that simply clicking car door equipment will not allow us to go in. The technician will be responsible to scan our NFC button, which is located at the specified inspection area. This is very powerful as it ensures the technician was actually at that location. So, I will scan the NFC button for the car door equipment to simulate that I am at that location. This is done by simply placing the handheld device over top of the NFC button. As you can see, as soon as this is scanned, the inspection questions will automatically populate. In the car door equipment inspection section, we have placed 5 questions that are to be answered by the elevator technician. The number of questions found in an inspection can be found at the bottom. All questions are simple yes or no questions designed to make the technician's job easy. So you can see in the first question titled, "Car door panel, is car door clean?" The technician can simply select yes or no, or even place their own comments below. One of the favorite features by almost all building owners and management companies is the app's ability to shoot a picture of a specific area, as you can see with the camera icon below. We will view this option in a few questions. For now, Let's say yes to the car door being clean. By clicking yes, the app will automatically populate to question number 2. Question number 2 is asking about the door restrictor being clean. We are going to say yes to this as well to show you how easily we can populate to question number 3. So number 3 is asking if the door clutch is clean and operating properly. Let's say no to this question. As you will see, no simply is not good enough and won't auto-populate us to the next question. A huge reason for our service is to protect the assets of the building. So in this case, since the elevator technician has selected no, we want to know what their corrective action is going to be. We have listed some corrective actions in the drop-down. They must select a corrective action to be able to complete an inspection. If they don't see the proper corrective action we provided in our drop-down list, the technician can manually type their own answer below. To move along, let's just select Adjust for Proper Operations. And you will see as we select the corrective action, the app will automatically populate to the next question. But maybe the elevator technician would like to show a picture of the work. They can actually go back by clicking the back arrow at the bottom left to take a picture. And we will do this. Select the camera icon. Once that is selected, it will open up your camera and we'll select a picture of the door. And hit OK. This picture feature is a very powerful tool and can be used on any of the questions and any of the reports. You will see the photo is stored below. It will now be sent as part of the report. So let's wrap up the inspection and we will hit yes to the remaining 2 questions. Once all questions have been answered, the inspection area is completed and the report will automatically send to our servers and email to the building owners and/or building managers. In the event the elevator technician is in an area of the building where Wi-Fi service is unavailable, don't worry. All information is automatically stored in the device, and when the technician gets back to the area where there is service available, such as the main office, the report will be sent. Buildings may also purchase data services that are not relying on Wi-Fi. To learn more about the reports generated, please be sure to check out our other tutorials. Thanks for watching, and most of all, thanks for choosing us as your compliance partner.